Good morning, this is Burnrate, and welcome back to another day and another daily challenge in Offworld Trading Company, the game of competitive cutthroat capitalism on Mars.
High levels of water found.
We're going to play Scavenger,
High levels of
which is
carbon
nice,
found.
because there's carbon right
High
there.
levels of aluminum found.
That looks good.
Let's get those
Well, that wasn't very
see what we can use.
smart,
This colony isn't going to build
because I'm in
itself.
that hole. Water?
Scientific colony founded.
Why not? Well, I'm in a hole, so I can't connect a lot, so let's maybe get a teleportation map,
Low levels of iron found.
because I can't connect all my
Geothermal
stuff
vent.
to my
That would be
base.
useful.
And if I get
Low levels
teleportation,
of silicon
I could
found.
get
Medium levels of
the
silicon
virtual
found.
reality pattern as well, and make a pleasure dome because I'm right next to the colony. So that wouldn't be bad either.
High levels of iron found.
But yes, competitive cutthroat capitalism on Mars. And if you say capitalism, you don't really need to reiterate the competitive and cutthroat parts, because that's how it is. So we got a bunch of stuff coming in here. We'll get our aluminum and carbon in no time. And then we could go immediately Pleasure Dome Patent Lab. That would take up 2 claims. I think we should just go Pleasure Dome Power. Can upgrade already, but I want to save money. Claims in the black market. That's very nice. So Pleasure Dome, and then trying to think. Ouch.
Not a problem. We'll have this done in a jiffy. I
Pot
just need
auction,
to locate some spare
aluminum.
parts.
Interesting one. So Pleasure, sorry for the silence there. Spaced out. So Pleasure Dome Power. We can do a geothermal right there, which would be nice.
7,000, 8,
Or 2 wind.
10,000,
Let me check the wind.
12,000,
So do Pleasure Dome 2 power, then upgrade to Patent Lab
16,000,
and some other stuff. I can do 1 power, 1 food. If I was going to use 1 claim on power, I would want to go with the geothermal. So let's do 1 food here. We'll connect these. So I'm not going to need more water than 3 at the very most. The adjacency bonus, so I can go on top. So I'll do this 1 food, and I want this. It's going to be a bunch of carbon. Could get more carbon right now, and then put a chems there or something.
The black market is online.
Claim. I want that claim. Hooray! I'm all claimed up. I can get another claim in 30 seconds if I save some money. So let me just get rid of this iron, and I'll sell my silicone. I have so much aluminum already, it's ridiculous. This guy, I just need
Expansive
carbon.
colony expanded.
With that claim, I am going to get the other carbon. I can delete that if I need to. 5 seconds for another claim. Costs 4,500.
The black market is online.
I'm going to sell some carbon for it. Because those are cheap, and they'll never be that cheap again. Now I have 2 carbon coming in anyway, so I'm going to have ridiculous amounts of carbon. So I have water. I can get another water before I build my electrolysis. This will give me a whole lot more with this adjacency bonus. Let me just save up for this real quick. Because what does this take? Aluminum and carbon. Very little though. But I'll just get this guy in a moment.
Scientific colony expanded.
I definitely want to expand soon.
The black market is online.
Come on, carbon. You guys should be going nuts. Black market's online. I want to get that claim. But I want power first. My debt's still pretty nice and low. There we go. We'll do that
Scientific
guy.
colony expanded.
And then we want this. So that's going to cost 3,000. So a little bit of water. Food. Oh wow, that's nice. Adjacency bonus. Oh, I don't have enough water there. But it's so much. I can buy water and sell food. It's very expensive right now. That's totally worth it. So I need 3,000 for that. Nanotech. Not interested. Carbon's pretty good, but I need 240, and I'm gonna have to buy the glass too. So
7,
Food is definitely a good investment right now, I think. 99 of my power up soon too. 150 at 400. Get rid of this patent.
12,000.
Oh, come on, guys.
14,000.
Spend your money.
16,000.
They have structures, assets, debt.
So,
Your debt just went really high. Take that. So I need to build electrolysis, but next turn. Next upgrade, I guess I should say. What I do need to do is generate some cash in order to build this. Ah, and I have enough. Excellent. So 103. There's my claims. Now I need patent lab. I can connect. I'll put it right here to connect that guy. So I got power. Oh, my water and food. Not very nice. We need 5,000 to upgrade, or I could buy another claim even. That stinks. I should goon squad this. I could put another water there. Oh, I wish aluminum was more expensive. And I could totally sell it and do something. Like buy this claim. Look at that. Oh. 103. I thought it said 200 something for a second. Alright.
The black
Expansive
market
colony.
is online.
103. The expansive colony is expanding. And 240 here, so I'm going to need the 5,500 in glass. This is worthless. My food is not producing right now. Probably going to sell a lot of carbon. At least I have a lot coming in. That was a good investment to make in that second claim. In the end, so much aluminum. It's worthless. And almost there. 5,800. I don't want to sell my water. Come on. Claims. Or whatever. There we go.
Not a
Upgrade.
problem. We'll have this done in a jiffy. I just
Get you
need
some
to
more
locate
water.
some spare parts.
And that adjacency bonus should allow us to build another food. No, I should do electrolysis first. My food's still positive. Come on, electrolysis. So I'll do electrolysis. Ah, there we go. And I should have tons of positive cash flow. Now I need the patent lab. So I'm going to need 3,000 in glass. Still like this claim too.
5,000.
120 carbon.
New
Slant drilling,
tax.
not interested.
1,000.
bidding will begin at
1,000. 9.
Be able to sell a little water. Carbon's still the only thing besides food coming in that I can really sell. It's coming in a lot at least. So I get above 120, I can start selling it. Or I could go now. No, it would cost at least 200 to get that claim. That's 6,000. Could sell it what I have right now and get it before someone else does. Claims are nice. Let's see if I can sell water. Because I have a good amount coming in. My power is lower already. It's painful. That pleasure dome takes a lot of power. Let's just sell a little bit. Oh, someone got it. Too slow. Well, I can set this guy up. And shortage of everything.
Scientific colony expanded.
Craziness. So what do I want? My electrolysis is running. The claim. There we go. Sell some food. Get another claim. So electrolysis is running. It's just not coming in yet. I'm going to need more to build chems. Of course, I don't really want to wait on building the chems. I should have probably gone with food. Well, I'll need electrolysis anyway, so it's not so bad. It's not terrible. Although I wish my power was a little bit bigger. Build an engineering lab. So how much is it going to cost for virtual reality? 11,000.
The black market is online.
How much can I get from that? 4,000. This guy is like nothing. Food. There we go. Virtual reality, and then we want teleportation. Although, I don't think the teleportation is really necessary. Because there's no... Oh, there are pirates, but no one's been using those. I think I am going to get it, for sure. Because teleportation is great when people are auctioning pirates. There they are.
I hate those filthy bandits.
Not for me.
Pirates.
Excellent.
I
Oh,
hate those
they are for
filthy
me.
bandits.
Hopefully they'll take a lot of, let's sell this surplusing so we can sell a bunch of that and then buy it back. We need 360 and 14,000 of the glass. Food and water, piracy. Stop it, pirates. See, I do want the teleportation. Superconductor, not very interested in that either.
Up for auction.
7,
Bidding will begin at
14,000 for the glass.
9,000.
Food is good, or the water. I wish I could sell food, but someone stole it all. And even with that one aluminum, I sell such excess. Cool. So only 4,000 more of carbon. That'll be here in no time. Virtual reality is almost done. And 23,000 for that. Let me just build chems. I'll just build chems. Mutiny. Oh, jerks, right before I finished. Or did I finish? I did finish. Haha. Too bad for you.
Who are all these new people? I don't know
Who are they?
everybody's name yet.
So, carbon. I'll build with 1 chems right now. Food is still pretty expensive. Power is... What is power? Oh, why did you do that one? We're supposed to do the food in the middle. Power is not too expensive. Just gonna have to wait a while all this stuff settles down, but my pleasure dome's going crazy. Look at that. Very nice. Just making me money right now. So
Scientific colony
I hate
expanded.
those filthy bandits.
price of power is still going down, so I'm definitely not going to build that right now. Food is still going up, and I could really do that adjacency bonus, and I really want the teleportation. Because these stinking pirates are taking all my stuff. Water's getting expensive. Need to unfreeze my water. It stinks. So I'll be making chems, and chems are surplusing right now. So it'll probably be an excellent point when this finishes surplusing. I'll send these chems back, and then I can buy this maybe as soon as this comes out of what's it called? Gosh, those pirates are ruining my day. I don't have any water. It's hard to get a read on what I need too because nothing's running. I don't want to buy water because it's more expensive than the food. It's holding up my electrolysis and everything. So you send your resources back. It should not get taken. The teleportation and the 40 chems and the chem price low. What is it right now?
New land is available for
Oh,
auction.
come on.
Bidding will begin at
I should mutiny that. I'm gonna mutiny someone else's geothermal. Where are they?
sold.
Now, price is too cheap. I should mutiny. I don't know what I should mutiny. It's just a cheap mutiny. It's nice. I'll mutiny. Power is just worthless. Mutiny that. Slow them down.
Scientific colony expanded.
Aww. Nothing great to mutiny, really. Glass. There we go. Just mutiny glass all day long. Alright.
The black market is
There we go.
online.
That's not too bad. And then I can upgrade. I almost have the carbon. I need the glass. And carbon is cheap. Sell some fuel. Sell some oxygen. Sell a
Let
little
this be a
food.
lesson
It's
to
going
you
up.
all.
Aluminum is
Screw
nice and expensive now.
pirates.
I hate those filthy bandits.
We'll have
Ah.
this done in a jiffy. I
More
just
pirates,
need to
right
locate
here.
some spare parts.
Oh no. Up here. Excellent. Not mine this time. I'm gonna go with teleportation soon. I don't think I'm gonna goon squad this because I'll get rid of that and put a off-world market or something fancy. I have 7 claims. I really should be using these. So water is negative. Let's do that. Power's still cheap. Food could use another adjacency bonus, as could my electrolysis, which is... Stuff's expensive. Everything's really expensive, which is great. Chems are always good. At this point I can pretty much ignore glass. I'm just gonna take both of those. Oh, my oxygen. I can pretty much ignore glass because I just need it for this. Glass electronics. It's gonna be like 60,000 for each of these. But it's totally worth it. Oh, come on, water. You have a slight... Price went down a good bit. That's nice. You have a slight positive flow there, water. Shouldn't be hurting. My oxygen. Once I finish teleportation, everything will
The
balance out
black
real
market
quick.
is online.
So I could build glass, but I'd have to get a silicone and then my oxygen. Slow down strike. That was rough. Where did they center that? In this guy? I think it'll be worth it to put a couple more, what's it called? Goon squads out here. I might get a free...
Bit now, and you
Nice.
could win a core sample to discover new resources.
9,
I might get a black market thing back. And the teleportation is done,
12,
so I can get rid of this guy.
14,000,
I'm gonna need what?
16,000,
56,000? 57,000 to get the off-world market. That's with the glass. I mean, it's totally worth it. So, let's just bulldoze this. Let's make sure there's nothing else I want. Perpetual motion. Nah, power's too cheap. Okay. Get rid of you. Build you here. And once we
The
see the
black
off-world
market
prices,
is
we'll spend our
online.
last 3 claims. Power's going down. I should build a... Huh. I don't want to get rid of my 2 carbons yet, because I'm going to need that for another market. Get another Goon Squad. What else do we have going on up here? These pirates are never going away. Ever. Ha ha ha. So I have teleportation now. So, yeah, I'm just waiting to see what the off-world prices are. And I can build another one of those. I can build them together, but I'll Goon Squad them. And then I can delete the smaller carbon and build a engineering lab. So yeah, I'm gonna need another 70,000-ish for that, which should be no problem. Mrs. Launch has bought a lot of stock, as has Mr. Research, and I haven't bought anything yet. Let me Goon Squad this. So off-world prices, what do we want? Food is great. It's also great here. Fuel is great. Is there anything that's really crazy? No. Food, fuel, O2. Let's start off with the food. Sell 32,000 here. That's an extra 16.
I hate those filthy bandits.
So that'd be 40,000 here, and so this food's a better differential, I guess.
The black market is online.
3,000. This would be the biggest difference. No, not even 13,000. This would be really good. Let's do that next. We'll sell that and build this, and then we can bulldoze you. And we need a little bit of
Scientific
carbon in
colony
I
money.
hate
Bandit.
those filthy bandits.
Pirates everywhere, but can't do anything to me. What should I mutiny? I'll mutiny someone's geothermal, because power has gone back up. Good old Scavenger in that black market.
Off-world shipment launch. Look at all the money.
This has got a couple set up. I'll keep going with the food. I'll do a chems. Just keep them lined up so I don't forget or something. And I'll build this guy. Boost production. I have so much aluminum, it's ridiculous, and it's cheap. So I'll get rid of that, and in its place, I will build. What do I want?
Expansive colony
The black
expanded.
market is online.
Aluminum, carbon, silicone. See, I need too much stuff. I'd lose adjacency bonus if I built anything else. I could build a chems over here. Should build something. have enough fuel and carbon for the chems.
Off-world shipment launched. Look
Can
at
use
all
another
the
claim
money.
for food. Because that's great off-world, and I have 2 markets now. Ridiculous amounts of money.
We caught a dirty
And,
rat trying to break our
Aha.
stuff.
Sabotage. Mr. Sabotage.
Your
Oh, you don't have
stock is
anything
being
good.
bought.
I'll just do that. Just for revenge purposes. So my stock's been bought. This research just bought those guys. Not good.
Your
Let's
stock
boost
is being bought.
food here. And keep sending that out. You defend that. 400 per second. My stock's being bought. I better go defensive.
Off-world shipment launched.
Aluminum is
Look
worth
at all the money.
Food is being researched, so that's going to be even better.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all
Orders
the
are
money.
level
Scientific
negative.
colony expanded.
Ah, because I built. Let's do that. Improve my water income so I can keep the food going. Although water is much cheaper than food. So, and I could build
The
another
black
claim.
market is
Man,
online.
look at that power. I'll just build. Where's the geothermal? I mean, it'll probably go right back down as soon as I get that built, but... Alright, Mr. Research, it's time to do things to you. There we go. And you would be really hurt by pirates. They're 30,000 now, though. That's
Off-world
kind of
shipment
ridiculous.
launched. Look at all the money.
A little more defensive stock buying. More off-world
Off-world
shipments.
shipment launched. Look at all the
Let's
money.
keep these going. So my water is running out.
Now, and you could win a core sample to discover
Not
new
interested in a
resources.
core sample. Chems are nice.
10,000,
Let's research those up a little
12,000, 14,000,
after these.
16,000.
That's crazy. Yeah, the price of power has already dropped by 50, and this isn't even done building yet. So, well,
Your
oh well.
stock is being bought.
Alright,
The
defensive buy
black
there.
market is online.
Scientific colony expanded.
Let's launch. How much to buy you out? 565.
I
Not too
hate
bad.
those filthy bandits.
Pirates keep popping up. I'm glad. So glad I got teleportation. That's really nice. So this is just more and more food. Oh, I ran out of water. Junk. I wish I had the speed pack. What's it called? The
Off-world
auto
shipment
boost thing.
launched. Look at all the money.
Keep this going.
Off-world shipment launched.
Very nice.
Expansive
Look at all
colony
the money.
expanded.
Buy some more stock while I have the option. And I can sell aluminum. Nice. I should have kept that not being a chem and put aluminum there. That would have been ridiculous. And you're just really nice and expensive. So, can't speed this up, unfortunately. But what we will do is continue with these 2 off-world markets. Just making lots of money. Power. I'm still not making money on power.
Pirates.
This is
I
so
hate
nice.
those filthy
452.
bandits.
So finish buying them out, and we should
Off-world
concentrate on them.
shipment
I need
launched.
677,
Look at all the money.
which isn't impossible to do
Off-world
in a short amount of time.
launched.
These 2
Look
markets,
at all the money.
off-world markets, going at the same time, and it doesn't look like they have any of those right now. So that gives me a distinct advantage, plus my complete lack of debt. And I can now start selling chems. I use them all in research. That's another good pile of money right there. Carbon is good. Everything is good right now. Prices are pretty high. Fuel, oxygen, lots of surplus. Let's keep doing those. So water is positive. Everything is running.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all the
Cancel
money.
that out. And we can do the food.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all the money.
This will finish up. Yes, do look at the money.
We caught a dirty rat trying to break our stuff.
Aha! I'll put a goon squad there. It's totally worth it. This
Pirates.
is launch.
I hate those filthy bandits.
Did you want to EMP me? I'm sorry. And I got some Mr. Research stuff too. Mrs. Research, Mrs. Launch. It was Mr. Sabotage, but he's gone now. So I can get them for 650 or those for 600. They're both close, so there's not really a good point right now. Look at how much that factory works. It stacks with the adjacency bonus and everything. I didn't need all the upgrades I got.
The black market is
Look at all the
online.
money.
So and these are keeping up with the black market, so I'll let that research finish and
Offworld
go to
shipment
chems.
launched. Look at
I
all
can
the
sell
money.
for almost, I can sell for more than the off-world food right now. Look at the price for 100 in a second here. Teleportation was definitely a good idea. It would have been super annoying with all those parts. 50,000 for 100. Purchase Mrs. Research. So I have 3 now. A big mess. His power was cheap, so they're building steel and all sorts. I'm not going to retool their whole thing. Usually when you do this, you know, at this point it's not worth the time and effort to retool all that stuff. Lots more food coming in. Let's sell a little bit of oxygen deficit,
Look
but I
at
have a
all
good
the
amount.
Offworld
Steel
shipment
going up,
launched.
producing a lot
Look
of
at
steel.
all the money.
Look at that. That's good and expensive like the chems. Sell a little carbon, I can sell some steel. And aluminum, fuel, oxygen is positive. Sell some food down here on Mars.
Offworld shipment launched. Look
And there
at
we
all
go.
the money.
Buy on this launch. So this is pretty neat. The teleportation is definitely always great to get when there are pirates on the black market. I think that's like just always a plan. And the black market, just mutinying power stations and glass and stuff, and constant goon squads, claims, getting those early claims. I got like 4 claims I think in the black market for something like 20,000. That was absolutely wonderful. So since I got teleportation, I went Pleasure Dome and virtual reality. That was a lot of money right there. 452, along with 2 off-world markets. And they had one there and one there, another one up there. They were getting into it, but not early enough. So that was pretty neat. Scavenger is good. Not having to rely on steel. It's like opens up so many. That opens up extra claims and all sorts of things. Carbon's always cheaper than steel. You can build everything with the carbon, which is good. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next daily challenge.